Traditional jacks require a technician to climb under the vehicle to support the load, and then again in order to retrieve the jack stand. With AME Internationals' new 14401 jack stands, those days are over. The 14401 jack stand is built just like our industry-leading 14400, but with placement wheels and a removable handle. With the jack stand post set to the height needed, put the handle into place, turn to lock, and then effortlessly roll the jack stand into place. You can now safely lower the load onto the stand. To remove the stand, reverse the process.